Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to design an old website with a fresh new design using Figma. So let's begin the video. Hello and welcome to website design video. Today I will be talking you through the process of designing the WeChat website. As you might know, WeChat is a social media platform that allows users to chat and connect with others from all over the world. Our main goal with designing is to improve the user experience and make platform more user friendly. To start, we conduct user research and analyze user feedback to identify pain point and area for improvement. First, let's take a look at the current WeChat website. While it has served us well, we believe it's time to fresh, modern and more friendly design. So there is a two slides. First slides, we have a old WeChat website design. On the second slide, we designed a new mockup. So let's start this. First, I designed the header and banner. So here is our second design. Please have a look. Overall, we're really excited about the new design and we think it will provide a much improved user experience for WeChat users. If you found this video helpful for you, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so never miss out our latest update. Thank you so much.